Hey guys, sanibona. Naku phela ngibuyisithe the enemy la. Uma ngithi ngihla, nangu mapholoba lapha uyazenzela kuphaya kachuma lapha kunolithe. And I can't believe it's really happening. I thought khona into ezokwenzeka mhlawumbe ezovimba yonke lento le ukuthi yenzeke. But ke yenzekile. Umapholoba udlile ikheke likachuma lapha kunolithe. And I want us to talk about this and more here on this video. But before continuing with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down and so that you can watch my first videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's get back to it. Phela mina ngumuntu ohlezi egxeka uNolitha uthi uyanikisa ngekhekhe lakhe njengenzeka ngalutho because walinikeza ochuma bayalazi uba kwamubhuti kachuma lo washona ukhaya uyalazi uchuma on the other hand now ngisho ukuthi ke sewumapholoba ke on the list. So into yenzekile lapha yana yonke lento le iqale la Chuma being hospitalized. So uNolitha mangabe nhla wabona ukuthi ayibill ayingamandla ami bahlanganisa shemo sokhulu sebehlanganisa babona ukuthi hayi imali abangayihlanganisa is only 31k. So uNolitha had no other way because ubekade efuna ukusave uchuma akhokhe hospital bill yakhe ngabe bethi sibhedlela bamxosha. So finally yana umapholoba obvious umapholoba answered and then wathi ngizomela arrange payment ke this is how you're going to pay and this is exactly how Nolitha is paying for that. Umapholoba umthathile wambizele hotel naba ke hotel manje bahleli and as you can manje into engihlekisa yama gloves. What with the gloves? Ama gloves awenzani? Oh man, umapholoba is a real character. I wonder guys, comment in the comment section and let me know what did you think about this particular scene here on Isitha the Enemy. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like it, subscribe to this channel if you ain't subscribed, and don't forget to share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, even on your TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.